Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the black and white screen problem on YouTube. If your videos suddenly appear without color while watching, don't worry. We will walk you through a few simple fixes to bring the colors back. Now, let's get started. When you are playing a video on YouTube and it turns black and white, the first thing to try is to restart the video while it is playing. This refreshes the browser and can fix the problem right away. Next, check your browser extensions. You can find your extensions in the upper right corner of your browser. From there, you can manage them easily. Go ahead and disable any extensions you are not using. After that, clear your cache and browsing data. Go to Settings in the upper right corner. Under Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Then delete your browsing data. This helps clear out old data stored in your browser. Now, update your browser. You can do this by going to Help or About Chrome if you are using Chrome. This is where you can check for updates. Just click to Update. Or if you are using Chrome, it will update automatically when you open that page. Next, try opening a different browser. Use another browser like Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Opera GX to see if the problem is with your browser or the video itself. Now, update your graphics driver by opening Device Manager. Click Start, then open Device Manager. From here, update the driver for your graphics card. Go to Display Adapters and select your graphics card. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Once that is done, restart your computer. After restarting, your YouTube videos should now show in full color. We hope this helped you fix the black and white problem on YouTube. Your videos should now play with normal colors again.